Pull up a chair. Listen, we have a lot to talk about. I was asked by an author of this new book called The Sound of My Life to read it and to give her my opinion about that. Now, I know you're thinking, wow, that's pretty neat. So how do you get the opportunity to do that? Well, number one, it always helps to have a relationship with that person. And we have history like you wouldn't believe. See, I'm the sister of the author. My name's Alicia Randolph, and I thought it was wonderful. It was a privilege to read something my sister had written because most of my life we were there together, so why not? So let me tell you, I read it and I relived those moments with her. It was just like sitting with you and with just a cup of tea. Old memories, things we've been through together, and I was reminded of how funny some of it was. Oh my goodness, and how it impacted her life and me walking through it, seeing it firsthand. The book really takes you on a journey. You'll laugh with Suzette as she shares some of the craziest moments of her life and some of the concepts that she thought about and how she grew in her journey and learned about her own sound. It brought back a flood of memories of being at a time and place where that sound that she shares about was in compromise. And so she takes us on the journey of the loss of that sound and recapturing that sound, and it'll cause you to think about your own life and where you're going and what you're doing and what kind of noises are in your environment and what kind of sounds are you making. Are you proud of that sound, and is it something that you want people to notice and to value? It's a great book for looking at yourself and for seeing others. So go get the book. You'll love it, and hopefully we'll get a chance to talk about it. Take care.